Hello and welcome to Learn Vlogging channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to send updated Power BI reports straight to your email automatically using the Power BI subscription feature. This is perfect if you want fresh reports without logging into your Power BI every time. So let's get started. So our main goal for this video is to know how to send a Power BI report through email using the Power BI subscription feature. So this is the workspaces. Then you click on select the workspace that you are dealing with. Then also if you already have your report there, then you select your report. Then so this is the subscription over here. So then you click here, then you click on create subscription, then choose standard. Then also let's give a name for this report. Then this is subscription, so you key in the email for the recipient. Then also you can schedule the time, the day, the time zone. Then you click on save. This is quite very simple. So comparing this Power BI service to Power BI desktop, this one has this feature while the desktop doesn't have. So the desktop has a lot of features. So as compared to the desktop, Power BI desktop, it has a lot of features that you can do. You can create a dashboard and you can do a whole lot of stuff, do your analysis and everything on it. As compared to the Power BI service, it's limited. So this is how the Power BI service you can send an email using the subscription feature. So I'll leave here so that you pass your own. Goodbye.